If you continue to have back pain in the morning, don't just get out of bed. And if you get out of bed right away, you're going to have pain. You need to do this one thing. It takes 10 seconds. Please do it if you're having pain. You want to roll over onto your stomach, get onto your elbows, and go up and down. And do that 3 times. Then you want to do a press up where you push your elbows, straighten them out all the way and go up and down 3 times. Do that. That's it. When you get up out of bed slowly, you'll notice reduced pain. Because when you're sleeping throughout the whole night, that's 6, 7, 8, sometimes even 9 hours of sleep, your joints are compressing. The muscles are shortening. The interstitial fluids are leaving the joint. Everything you're doing at night is non-movement. And because you're not moving, your joints will stiffen up. And if you get out of bed right away, you're going to have pain. Please comment below and let me know how this helped you.